G'day, here's a small parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia. Rules in millimetres, material's been wetted. It's on a nice black base, so you should get nice bright colours. Just brought the camera in a little bit so you get a better view. Colour bar seems to be reasonably straight through there. Disappears over on this side. It's like a second bar up here. You might be able to cut that off, but you'd be risking cutting into this one. Get a second stone perhaps. See there, it's on quite a black base. There's an actual another bit of a bar showing here in a couple of spots. Second bit. It's the outside of the stone. Once you go inside there, it's a lot blacker. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking at those. Cheers.